Hello students, on the last turn we have completed our second chapter of chemistry, that was acid, bases and salts. In bio, although we have completed two chapters, that were life processes and control and coordination. The chapter control and coordination, some part of the chapter control and coordination is deleted for this year, but some portion of the chapter will be given in test in the coming periodic. So we are going to start our next chapter, how do organism reproduce, or chapter reproduction. So we are going to start this chapter today. First of all, we will discuss the definition or the meaning of reproduction. So meaning of reproduction is to produce young one of own kind is called reproduction. So first of all, meaning of reproduction, to produce young one of own kind. Own kind means from a seed of mango tree can be grown, and in the similar way a dog gives birth to a dog, a little dog or a puppy, then a cat to a kitten, small cat, or a human being to a human. Now, although reproduction is not an essential process for the survival of organism, like nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion, etc., but it is necessary and important for these reasons. Why reproduction is essential? As first cause for it is for continuation of life, means it is important so that the life may continue on earth. As we know, an organism die after completing all the phases of his life, such as he take birth, then he grow and become young and then become aged, but after completing all that he die, and before dying he produce young one of own kind, means he reproduce young one. So because of reproduction, life continues from generation to generation on earth. Now second reason for importance of reproduction is preservation of species. First of all, meaning of species. A species may be defined as a group of similar organism which can interbreed with each other, and species are preserved because of the reproduction. So it is possible because reproducing organism produce new individual which are similar to them. So we can say process of reproduction is necessary for preservation of species. Third reason is that for replacement. Replacement mean the organism or the individual that die due to aging, disease or any other cause. So replacing them, replacing the organism that died with a new individual, the birth of the organism is necessary. So we can say the process of reproduction is necessary. Next is for population characteristics. As we know, reproduction maintains the composition of population of infants, youngs, adults and aged means the ratio of population remain constant, or we can say all age groups are there, so that the life on earth can run smoothly. So, for population characteristic, reproduction is necessary. And next point for the importance of reproduction is for variation. Variation mean the new variants, production of new variants. So, for variation and its transfer means, as we know, due to process of reproduction, new variants means the new characters can be transferred to next generation, and this could help the individual in the struggle for existence. Existence means for the struggle of survival and adaptability. Adaptability means adjustment to the changes environment. So, due to variation, the generations could survive and can adjust to the changed environmental conditions. For example, when the population of any bacteria living in temperate condition mean when the temperature is not too high or not too cold, mean we can say the temperature is moderate. So, when the population of any bacteria living in moderate condition or the temperate condition has to face the sudden increase in temperature due to global warming effect. So, in that condition, any of the two situations may arise. So, these situations may be, first is most of bacteria would die because of increased temperature, mean they cannot tolerate the increased temperature, so they may die. Second situation may be few variants of the bacteria which were resistant to heat would survive and grow further, mean the bacteria that have variation to tolerate the increased temperature would survive and they will grow further. So, we can say reproduction is an important process that is necessary so that the life continues from generation to generations. Now, methods of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction or two methods of reproduction. These are asexual and sexual. So, asexual, when only one parent is needed for process of reproduction. When it is uniparental, then it is called as asexual reproduction. Mean single parent is able to produce young one of own kind, and in this type of reproduction, cell division is mitotic, means firstly the nucleus divide and then the cytoplasm divide. Beside that, in asexual reproduction, no fertilization takes place and the offspring is genetically similar to the parent, means offspring is clone of the parent. So, this is the method of asexual reproduction. Second type of reproduction is sexual reproduction, and it is biparental, means two parents, one male and one female are required for completion of process, and the offspring produced have a mix of inherited genes. So, asexual reproduction. Now, we will start the asexual types of reproduction. So, this is of many types, and their types are number one, fission. Fission, this is also of two types. This is binary and multiple fission. Then budding, then spore formation or sporulation, then fragmentation or divide in pieces, then regeneration, and then vegetative propagation. So, there are many modes of reproduction, many modes of asexual reproduction, and tomorrow we will discuss the modes of different types of modes of asexual reproduction. So, this is for this all for this session. Vishal.